Hi guys, and welcome back to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I'm Ivo, and in this Forge tutorial we are diving into the S7 connector for integrating data from Siemens S7 PLCs into Forge. With this setup you will be able to expose S7 data as OPC UA nodes, making your system architecture more interoperable and aligned with the OPC UA standard. Let's get started. First we start the module itself, which is S7Comm, and then we navigate into data sources and S7 page. We add a new device, and initially we need to rename the configuration itself or the device, and with the default settings it's not too hard to configure the S7 connector. We need to just give the name and add the IP address, and we can add the device. And then we will check whether we were able to make the connection. Yeah, we got green light, so we can continue to configure the DAGs. With the dot notation you can create some hierarchy, so every dot means a level in the address space. So now we would create a measurements folder, and under that we have a speed variable. Then I will copy the tag address, that's there, and finally I select the data type from this drop down list, and we have integer right here. Okay, and we are ready to add the tag. And then final step that we are going to do in this video is that we confirm the measurement from our browser. So let's refresh that, expand the S7 communication. We see our device, our folder, and finally our tag. And we see that we have a value there. To recap, we configured the connection to the S7 PLC device, brought data from it into Forge, and verified everything is working using browser. In the next and final episode of Mastering Forge series, we will wrap things up by diving into Forge's log file, exploring key configuration files, and showing you how to reset your Forge instance back to factory defaults. While the next video will be the end of the Mastering Forge series, we will continue creating more tutorials to support your journey with Forge. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.